Hey guys, it's me, Kristen Marie. We are doing eyebrows tonight. Yes, so that's why I have no makeup on and I have been growing my eyebrows out. They are bushy. I'm gonna get up close and personal to my eyeball and my eyebrow so you guys can see. I've been growing them out just for you, just so you guys can see my bushy eyebrows and how this, which I got off of Amazon, might, because I've never tried it, might shape them where I don't have to go get them waxed every night. Every night. Why did I say every night? Every month? No, every 3 weeks. No, it depends on everybody. When I used to go get them done, I do them now myself, but when I would go get them done, I would get them done every 3 weeks. My daughter, on the other hand, has to get them done every 2 weeks, literally. But anyways, so a lot of people are not going to salons. Salons are closed, especially if you live in California, and I think New York as well. So I got these wax strips. They're brow wax strips by andmetics, and then metics. That's the name, andmetics, right? They're pre-shaped wax strips. I got them off of Amazon. So I thought I would open it up, and it's supposed to come with 8 strips, right? It's supposed to come with 4 of the big ones and then 4 of the little ones. But I think Zumi got into this kit because I only have 2 of the big ones and 4 of the little ones. So I'm gonna take you guys like super close, super personal to my eye. I'm gonna show you. And actually, you know what? This might be a great thing because you guys can actually see some of my gray hair growing. If you guys wondering why I'm just a little bit hyper tonight, because maybe I had an energy drink a little bit too close to the nighttime, which don't do that. And no, that's not sponsored. No, this is not nothing. Notice no affiliate link, no nothing. But this company sent me, it's called Liquid IV, right? This is the energy multiplier. Yes, I hate, absolutely 1,000% hate energy drinks. And this one, I was like, ooh, this is refreshing. Ooh, this is good. Didn't have the jitters, didn't have nothing. Well, I don't have the jitters. I just feel like I have more energy. But I'm not like that jittery inside. This sucker is really good. It's called Lemon Ginger Energy Multiplier. And if you guys have a hard time going to sleep, OMG. Like, no joke, I took this right before I was editing my video and I was like, like drooling. This sucker put my butt to sleep. But like where you sleep on the clouds and you're just like, whoa, that zen. Anyways, I told him, yeah, send me whatever you got. You know, I'll try it out. You know, if I like it, if I like it. If I don't, I don't. I'm not even going to mention it if I don't like it. But check it out. So I know you guys are trying to hydrate your skin, hydrate your body, especially nowadays that we don't want to get the flu. We don't want to get sick. So this one little pack is equivalent to 3 bottles of water. I'll post their information down below. You guys can check it out yourself, but that's not what the video is about. The video is about my eyebrow. So you guys can see the bushy eyebrow and see if this actually works, because I'm kind of like, what the freak? Like, how am I supposed to, what am I going to do? I don't know. Not everybody's eyebrows are like this shape, you know? We'll see. Let's go ahead and just zoom on in to my eyeball. Really hard to see my gray on camera. I don't know, because it blends with my skin. My gray is right here. Can you see that? No, you can't. Darn, it needs to be shaped. So you guys can see the eyebrows, they need some fixing. So I think I'm going to start off. Can you see oh yeah, look, so you can see the gray right there when I move. How it glistens off the light. I think I'm going to start with this little one. But man, I hope I don't screw up my eyebrow. It's kind of weird, that shape right there. So let's just try it. Okay, so I get 2 strips then, I think that's what that is, because there's one there and there's one here that just kind of went into a circle on my hand. Oh, come on. Okay, so I got the strip. Man, my eyebrows, I'm really picky about my eyebrows. So let's just hope that this looks good. I'm gonna put it where my peak is, right here. I'm gonna lay it down and then lay that down. Oh, snap. Oh, that's not sticking on too good right there. I'm gonna pull it down to the shape that I know I need. Oh no, that's too much hair. It's too much hair right there. It's way too much hair right there. So let's say, shoot, I hope it doesn't peel off my eyebrow. Oh, it actually came up relatively easy. So I'm just gonna pull it down and kind of make my own shape like that. And then, why is it trying to take off the whole corner? No, I don't want to take off the whole corner. Shit, Ute. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, don't take off my hair. Just gonna pull it real hard. Hold the skin taut. Owie! Oh, that's clean. Can we see all of the hair that was taken off? Look at that. Look at all that hair. I know you can see it, especially right here where my nail is. Can I use it again? I wonder. So let me try the top. It's kind of, you have to hold these bottoms because it wants to, see, it wants to curl. That's a good amount of hair. So I'm gonna see if I can take it to the top and kind of shape this how I like it to be shaped. Okay, and then let's push it down. And let's really push because we've already used the wax once. You guys can see it's gonna take off all this hair that's growing out here and shape this corner down. So remember, before pulling, just hold your skin tight and then go against the hair. That felt like it grabbed. Oh, wow, I thought this wasn't gonna work, but wow, look at this. I just have a tile here. Yeah, it's a dirty, so I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put it on the tile so you guys can really see. Look how much hair. That's a lot of hair. Every single where it's dark. Look, I didn't even realize I had all these extra little baby hairs. I thought I just had like a, look at that. I mean, I didn't realize I had that many. It cleaned it up really, really, really good. I mean, I have one little hair down here that I have to get, but that's a lot. Okay, so let me get the other one that was left on here. Oh, don't let the plastic close because look, darn it, the wax will get on the other side. So it has 2 strips in one. Just make sure to keep the plastic open. Okay, we got it off. Right here. Okay, push it down. Hold the skin tight and, whoa. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna take it again and I'm gonna go on the top of the brow and I'm gonna make a straight line like this. Okay. It's kind of funny because this one, it kind of got sticky on one side, on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna hold my skin tight and then we're gonna go against the hair. Okay, let's lay this down underneath the other one and see how much hair we got on it. So I got that, some hair over there and some hair over there. Like I didn't even see those other ones. And look, so all the hair is off right here and off, and it actually looks pretty good. I do like the fact that if you lay it down on top of your hair on accident, you can go really, really slow and remove it. It won't yank out your hair, but I think that did a pretty darn good job. So it comes with these little things that are finishing wipes. Let's see how they feel. It's supposed to remove any oil, any wax or anything that's left behind. And honestly, it just feels like wax. It just feels like oil. Open it like this. There's 2 in 1. We're gonna open it like this. And then you're going to make sure that the paper does not close. Maybe here. Yeah, maybe there. Okay. pull the skin down and tight. And then you can see how much hair it pulled off. I think, yeah, this is so much easier to use it like this. But not everybody's eyebrow is that shape. I do like the fact that you can use the straight edge right here to really shape out the top of it. That I do love. Then you push it down. Did I put the right side down? Shoot, because that's pretty darn sticky on that side. Let's look. The hair grows this way, so I'm gonna go this way. That one took some hair, look at that. This is what the fat one's for. Just make sure that it is laying down flat, like that. Really get it in there. The hair grows this way, so I want to go against it. Hold the skin up. Look at all that. Look at those thick hairs. I'm gonna use the oil. Let's see if it gets rid of this sticky eyelid. Yeah, I have one more that I didn't use. So I think I'm gonna take you guys down to my lip. I know you can't see them, but I have like, and I also have lotion on my face, my serum and my moisturizer, not lotion. I have like hairs. They're very fine. Just gonna try this on here as well. Hairs grow that way, so we're going against it. Wow. Wow. When I tell you a lot of hair, I mean a lot of hair. This is the mustache one. You can see some of the dark, just a little bit of the dark, but there's a lot of blonde fuzzies in there. Hey guys, so this is what my eyebrows look like when they're done. Normally when I shade them in, they look perfect. I don't have much hair that grows here, so when you see my eyebrows that are done, I do shade them in all the way out to here. But what do I think? That's what you guys really want to know. So I'm going to show you the board here. Just ignore the eyeliner in the middle. So when I show you the board from a distance, like I honestly didn't think I had that much. I mean, I knew I had hair, but I didn't think it was that much. Look at this. Like every one of them is full of hair, isn't it? This one right here is the one that we did the mustache. You even see little hairs on there. But I didn't know what the big ones, I thought the big ones were quite awkward until I realized it is actually for right here. It's either right there for that side or right there. And like you saw, I took them down here because some of my hair grows right here as well. I think it did a pretty darn good job. I will say that not everybody's eyebrow is this shape. A lot of people don't have like these super arched brows like I do. So final thoughts and opinions of this. I thought it was pretty good. Now, I do think it's a little bit pricey for just this many strips because it's $16, I believe. It is convenient. You can throw it in your purse, but I'm going to show you another. So I would honestly say it's good. You do kind of have to tweak it to your eye shape, but overall, I did like it. I really did like it. And I thought the wax strip, I could use it like once here, bring it above the brow and use it again. I did like that. The fact that I could pull it off without it like very slowly off of the hair if I made a mistake and it didn't rip my hair out, I did love that. That's a lot of hair. But obviously, if you guys don't want to spend the money on that, you can do something like this. Hair removal wax strips. This comes with 30 wax strips, 2 sizes. I think this is around the same price of that one. But check it out. This is how big these strips are, right? They're huge. They are huge. Right? Humongous, right? So I'm just going to show you what I do with these. Because look, the edges don't have any wax on them. The edges don't have any wax. So I will take my scissors. And I will cut, so that's one. That's two, right? Remind you of something. Same thing, guys, right? Now what you do is you just, it's the same, look, there's wax on both sides. And it doesn't do that swirly thing. I will do the same thing. Look at this, but I like that I can make my own shape. Lay it down and then, ooh, holly. That's the first time ever that it ripped like that. Mind you, I had like, already cleaned that area and it still grabbed on. I'll go down. The mustache is always the worst. And I should have held my skin tight when I did that. But you guys can see, look, I have serums and moisturizers on. And look how strong the adhesive is. I should have gone that way since the hair grows that way. That is quite a bit of hair, right? So you're actually going to get 100 times, even more than 100. This is how many, look at this. This is how many come with it. And they have the different shapes. Like I said, like this is one whole shape. So you can do smaller sections with this one. They have the big, large one that I showed you. Same price, you get 100 times more. So it's really up to you guys. You know, I think this is convenient because it's already cut and it's already in the plastic. And this one you have to cut and shape it. But for if you're on the go, I would recommend this. You don't want to have to cut and fiddle with it. I would recommend it. But I honestly would recommend this too. I think this is amazing. And once again, this is wax removal. This is hair removal wax strips. And you can use it underarms, legs, body, and more. Really, really super easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think the brows turned out really good. And I feel like I have been waxed all over. And it doesn't hurt as far as like, you know, a lot of times you go to a salon and they put like a wax on you and it's warm or it's too warm and it burns. It can burn. This way, when you're doing this method using these types of strips, you cannot burn yourself. Like there's no way. Just hold the skin tight when you pull it. Just remember that. That will make biggest difference in the world. But I like both of these products. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Save you guys some money. You guys let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I love you all. Thank you all for supporting my channel and watching my videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.